Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so recovery can work. Sign into the Google account that was syncing Chrome. This lets you check Google My Activity later. Once done, stop browsing to prevent new cache or history from overriding local files. Next, make sure you have administrative access and any system restore point or backup drive available. These first steps create the conditions for recovery and prevent further data loss, so don't skip them. Now you'll perform detailed recovery actions on both cloud and local sources. First, check Chrome, //history and Google My Activity for any synced entries you can restore. These are fastest. If cloud entries are missing, navigate to the Chrome user profile folder and find the History SQLite file. Copy it before altering anything. If the file is deleted, run System Restore or a reputable file recovery tool to scan the drive and recover the SQLite file. Make sure to work on a copy to avoid corruption. Finish by rebuilding and verifying the browser history. You'll replace the existing history file in the Chrome profile with the recovered copy, preserving an original backup in case you need to revert. Then restart Chrome and review the history page. Sign into Google to let sync merge entries if applicable. If entries still don't appear, run a second recovery pass with a different tool or restore an earlier system image. This troubleshooting tip often resolves stubborn cases without further data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.